What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. This is a beautiful Sunday, but as you can see, it's Mustang time. Got that 5.0 badge on there, but this is not obviously a stock 5.0 Coyote. There is a backstory behind this car. I'm gonna bring my buddy on this channel for the first time ever. Y'all wanna miss out, stay tuned. Alright everybody, this is my buddy Terry. This is his Ford Mustang GT. Terry, what got you into liking Ford Mustangs? And I know obviously this was not stock. Tell me more about it.
Well, I had a couple 68s in high school, and I just, from a kid, thought the Mustangs were cool, and bought this one. Actually, I quit smoking, so that's my cigarette money, is what that is. And no, it's got gears in it, tires, wheels. It's got a Gen 3R VMP Supercharger on it now. BBK long tube headers and Cook's mufflers. That's no cats. That's about it. It ain't real special, but I like it.
And that's what matters. As long as you enjoy the car, that's all that matters. You mentioned about that VMP Supercharger, so you recently got this added on to your engine. Do you know the horsepower and torque rating what it's pushing at now?
It's 625 at the rear wheel, 7,500 RPM.
Whew.
I believe it's in the 5s. I'm not positive on the torque. I guess I should have looked at that, my dyno sheet, but I didn't.
So if it's making 625 to the rear wheel, so basically I'm just doing the math here. So it's making 700 horsepower then.
Yeah.
Golly, that is a huge jump compared to it being stock around 400 plus horsepower.
420 stock.
Yes.
It was actually 383 at the rear wheels before they did this.
So you gained 300 plus horsepower just by adding that supercharger in a tune and some smaller stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Awesome. I can't wait to experience that. Fuck yeah, man. That's how you do it. Terry, man, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your Mustang. That's the way you set it up with some bolt-ons. It's a badass car.
Hoping to do a little more this winter.
You will. Do a little bit of tweaking here and there, but you will get it there, man. Man, Terry, man, you got me spooked, but in a good way. But hey, man, it's all none but love. I appreciate you giving me a ride today, man.
Anytime, buddy.
Of course, it ain't about fuel economy. It's a miles per gallon. But that's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.